Good morning, students. In the previous video we have started exercise 10.3. So let us do some more questions of this exercise today. This is the sixth question. Verify Euler's formula for these solids. यहाँ इस solid में top face is a pentagon. It means the bottom will also be a pentagon. So the number of side faces will be 5, one on each side, and one face is at the top and one is at the bottom. So the total number of faces in it is 7. Now the number of vertices, there are 5 vertices at the top and the 5 at the bottom. So the total number of vertices is 10. The number of edges, the 5 edges are at the top, the 5 sides of this pentagon, and 5 at the bottom, and then 5 will be from each vertex. So there will be 15 edges here. So F plus V minus E will be 10 plus 7, 17 minus 15, that is 2. And it means this Euler's formula is verified here. In the second figure, we have a square base. Here it is also a square, and at each side of this square we have 4 triangles, so 4 faces above, and similarly at each side of the base we have 4 vertical faces, so 4 plus 4 8, and 1 base at the bottom, so there will be total 9 faces. Now the number of vertices, 4 vertices of this square, 4 of the bottom square, and 1 at the top, so there are 9 vertices in this case. Then number of edges, 4 edges are of this square, 4 of the base, so 4 plus 4 8, and then 4 vertical sides at the bottom and 4 at the top, so 12 plus 4 16, and then we have F plus V minus E is 9 plus 9 minus 16, that is 2. So again for this solid also Euler's formula is verified. Now this is the 7th question. Using Euler's formula find the unknown. ये हमारे पास 3 पार्ट्स हैं, हर पार्ट में एक अननोन दिया है, इसमें फेसेस निकालने हैं, सेकंड पार्ट में हमें वर्टिसेस निकालने हैं, और थर्ड पार्ट में हमें एजेस निकालने हैं. तो ये यूलर्स फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करेंगे. F प्लस वी माइनस ई इक्वल टू, F हमें अननोन है, V हमारे पास 6 है और E 12 है, एंड 6 माइनस 12 इज minus 6. Then transfer this minus 6 on right side, you get number of faces is equal to 8. In the second part, V is unknown, F is 5, E is 9, so 5 minus 9 is minus 4. Transfer this on right side, we get V equal to 6. In the third part, F is 12, F is 20, V is 12, and E we have to find out. So 32 minus E equal to 2. 2 को ट्रांसफ़र करेंगे ऑन वन साइड, सो यू गेट E इक्वल टू 30. So like this you can complete this table. Now this is 8th question. Can a polyhedron have 10 faces, 20 edges and 15 vertices? क्या किसी पॉलीहेड्रन में 10 फेसेस, 20 एजेस और 15 वर्टिसेस हो सकते हैं? तो हम चेक करेंगे कि यूलर्स फार्मूला अगर इसके लिए वेरीफाइड हो रहा है देन इट इज़ पॉसिबल, अदरवाइज नॉट. तो f प्लस बी माइनस ई कैलकुलेट करेंगे. f 10 है, b 15 है, तो 10 प्लस 15 25 और माइनस ई जो कि 20 है. तो 25 माइनस 20 कितना हो गया? 5. 25 माइनस 20 इज 5 which is not equal to 2. It means Euler's formula, it is not verified, it is not satisfying for this polyhedron, so it is not possible. That's all for today. Thank you.